Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making chicken lollipops, so let's go and make it. For making chicken lollipops, we have taken chicken wings and chicken niblets. So let's see how to make the lollipops out of it. Cut it into wings and niblets. Separate the meat from bone and push it downward just like this. And then turn it inside out. And the lollipop is ready. So let's now take wing. There are 2 bones in the wing. We need to pull out one of the bones, so separate the meat from the bones. And now you have to push it downwards, just like this. And then pull out the thinner bone. Perfect. Hope you understand how to make it. Now let's marinate it. Add salt to taste. Soya sauce 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Chili ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Add 1 egg in it. 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix it all well and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Add red or orange food color in it. Now we have to add corn flour in it. We need nice and thick coating for the lollipops. It's all ready to go for frying. So heat the oil for frying. And once oil is heated, put the lollipops for frying. Keep on turning the lollipops so they won't burn. And adjust the gas so it will cook well. Fry it for 6 to 8 minutes. It's time to take the lollipops out. Wow, it's mouth-watering. I can't wait to eat now. You do try this yummy and tasty recipe and write us in comments. Please like and share this recipe. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Bye.